In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your employees in Housecall Pro. We'll walk through adding a new team member, choosing the right role, fine-tuning permissions, and sending the invite so they can start working right away. First, sign in to your Housecall Pro account. From the home page, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings menu, choose Team and Permissions. This is where you manage everyone on your account. Click Add Team Member. Start by entering the person's name exactly as you want it to appear internally and to your customers. When you're ready, click Next. Consider matching their profile name with how it appears in your records for consistency. Now select the role that best describes this team member, for example, a field technician. Roles are helpful because they provide a preset starting point for what the person can do in the system. After picking the role, review the available permissions. Toggle on what they should be able to view or change and leave off anything that doesn't apply. If you're unsure, start with the defaults for the role and you can always adjust later. Common permissions include viewing schedules, creating or editing jobs, seeing customer details, and handling estimates or invoices. Click Next to continue. On the profile screen, you can add a photo. This is a nice touch for customer confidence because when the technician is on the way, customers will see who to expect. You can also pick a team member color. That color shows up on your scheduling calendar, making it easy to identify jobs at a glance. Choose a bright, unique color, then click Next. Finally, send the invitation. Enter the team member's email, mobile number, or both, and send the invite. They'll receive a link to join your account. Once they accept, their profile becomes active and they can log in on the web or the mobile app according to the permissions you set. If the invite doesn't arrive, double-check the contact information and resend from the same Team and Permissions page. That's the complete setup. You can return to Team and Permissions anytime to edit roles, update permissions, change the photo or color, or remove access when needed. Using clear roles and minimal permissions helps keep your account organized and secure, while color coding makes your calendar easier to read at a glance. If this walkthrough helped, please like the video, subscribe for more practical tutorials, and tap the bell to get notified when new guides go live.